Banana cartoon, sing along. I'm going to clean my room. I am going to clean my room, tidy it up and make it bloom. Put my clothes in the wardrobe there and pick up my socks, they're everywhere. I am going to clean my room, tidy it up and make it bloom. Put my books on the shelves up there and put my toys in the box over there. I am going to clean my room, tidy it up and make it bloom. When Mom sees what I will do, she'll be so proud, yes, it is true. I am going to clean my room, tidy it up and make it bloom. Look at it now, oh just who knew? Now it's nice and has a beautiful view. I am going to sleep in my room, wearing clean PJs and perfume. Look at me now in my own bed, dreaming of adventures up ahead, dreaming of adventures up ahead. The Alphabet Song.
A for apple, A for ant. B for bat, B for bowl. C for cat and C for cup. D for dog, D for dots. E for elephant, E for egg. F for fish, F for frog. G for goat and G for grass. H for hand, H for hat. I for ink and I for insect. J for juice, J for jar. S for sun and S for sky. T for tap, T for toy. U for uncle, U for umbrella. V for van, V for violet. W for whale and W for water. X for box, X for fox. Y for yes and Y for yellow. Z for zoo, Z for zebra.
Open a book. Open a book, you little child. Reading is a wonderful guide. Open a book, you little child. Reading is a wonderful guide. In a book, you will find people and places of every kind. Open a book, you little child. Reading is a wonderful guide. Open a book and you can be anything you want to be. You can be a king or a queen. You can go places you've never seen. In a book, you can fly. You can be a cloud up in the sky. You can have wings or magical rings. Open a book, you little child. homework. I've already told you once, and Mom has told you twice. Forgetting homework is not good and also is not nice. But homework's gotta be done. Do it now, you'll get a treat. A brand new toy or sweets to eat. Homework that you can beat. Oh, please go do it now. Your teacher will be glad. She said she was so proud of you, so don't make her feel sad. She'll give you stickers too. Your homework makes you smart. Whether it's science, math, or art, your effort is the best part. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 steps. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5. 7, 6, 5. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5. 7, 6, 5. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5. 7, 6, 5. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My teacher.
My teacher wears a happy smile and tells stories that are worthwhile. My teacher knows it all and hangs maps on the wall. My teacher gives us support. Doesn't matter if you're tall or short. My teacher is bright